Students, let us see what happened on the third day of their trip. On the third day, their teacher took them to a place of historical importance. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Everyone was looking forward to this visit to the historical monument. Monument means a building which is built in the remembrance of some person or something. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Beside the footprint was a grand statue of Armstrong. A grand statue of Armstrong was built. At the base of the statue were carved the first words uttered by a human on the moon. One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. Means here it was a big step to the progress of mankind. Actually, this is imaginary story. This story is going to happen after 50 words, 50 years. So, students, don't get confused. The next attraction for the children was that they were going to wear the space suits for the first time. Means while traveling in space, astronauts wear special space suits. Then they were going to Rome. Rome means what? Visit from one place to another place. Outside, experiencing the gravitational force of the moon. Means the places where a gravitational force of the moon was not artificially maintained. Be careful when you walk, dear children. Don't run. All sprint. Here sprint means what? Run at full speed. Means warning was given not to run. You will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly. But who was in the mood to listen? They hoped, jumped and ran around. No one listened the instructions. Buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon. Very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops in the settlements. Cheaper than better. At least have you looked? The roadside shopkeepers screamed at the top of their voice. They were screaming, shouting very loudly. Buy, sister, buy. I am selling these earrings. Really cheap. Cheap means what? At a lower cost. Saying this, he approached Siley and displayed the sets of shining stones earrings. Siley suddenly remembered her mother. She wanted to take something for her mother. Tomorrow they were to start on their return journey. They had completely forgotten her mother in the last 3 days. She felt terribly guilty. Buy this, sister. Don't think much. Cheaper and better it. Take it. Siley looked around. The other children had proceeded ahead. Means other children went somewhere else. Come on, give me those red earrings, quick. Siley pointed at them and asked, What's the price? Only 1,000 rupees, replied salesman. Siley immediately paid the amount, took the earrings and ran to catch up with her friends. She joined with her friends. On returning home, means they were on the earth now, they have already returned. Siley told her mother very enthusiastically, Mummy, look what I have brought for you. Her mother picked up the earrings. She exclaimed, Hello dear, how am I going to wear such heavy rings? Means the weight of the rings were 6 times more than the earth or the earth. Means from which they purchased in the moon. Siley immediately realized her mistake. Siley had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity. Means I have already explained you. That means moon's gravity means 1/6 of Earth's gravity. If it weighs 6 kg there, it would weigh here on the earth 36 kg. means weight increases 6 times on the earth than moon. This story is translated from the story Bhet by Lakshman Londe.